Hi, welcome to the Healthy Lifestyle channel, where you can become a better you. Like, subscribe to start your journey to a healthy lifestyle. Thanks.
Start in a plank position, with your hands shoulder width apart and feet together. Lower your body by bending your arms until your chest almost touches the ground. Push back up to the starting position, extending your arms fully. Repeat for the desired number of reps. Keep your body straight and engaged throughout the movement.
Incline push-ups can be performed as follows. Place your hands on a raised surface such as a bench or step, wider than shoulder width apart. Keep your body straight, engaging your core muscles. Lower your body by bending your elbows until your chest touches the surface. Push back up to the starting position, extending your arms. Repeat for desired number of reps. Note, you can adjust the incline to make the exercise easier or harder. The higher the incline, the easier it is. Wide push-ups. How to do wide push-ups. To perform wide push-ups, start in a plank up to the starting position by extending your arms. Repeat the movement for the desired number of reps. It's important to keep your core engaged and your body in a straight line throughout the exercise.
Keep pushing to get the result you need.
Diamond push-ups.
Diamond push-ups target the triceps and chest muscles. By placing hands close together forming a diamond shape, the focus of the exercise is shifted towards the triceps, making them work harder to push the body up and down. Additionally, it also engages the chest, shoulders, and core muscles, strengthening and toning multiple muscle groups. The benefits of push-ups. Push-ups offer several groups, including the chest, triceps, shoulders, and core, building upper body strength. Increased muscle tone. By engaging multiple muscle groups, push-ups can help tone and define muscles. Better posture. Push-ups help improve posture by strengthening the muscles responsible for maintaining good posture. Core stability. The core muscles are engaged during push-ups, improving stability and balance. Convenience. Push-ups require no equipment, making them a convenient and effective exercise that can be done anywhere, anytime. Improved cardiovascular health. Push-ups are a type of resistance exercise that can help improve cardiovascular health by increasing heart rate.
Thanks for watching the Healthy Lifestyle channel. Please feel free to like or subscribe. It will help the channel out, but for now, see you in the next video.